Kia ora tātou, ko Kay Berryman ahau, no Ngāti Maniapoto, Waikato. I have 7 mokopuna and 5 tamariki. I started paddling because I followed my children. They were at kura and they were introduced to paddling at kura. They enjoyed the experience, and as you do, as a parent, you get in and help tautoko, and so I was a manager, and then I ended up coaching my girls and my son, and then the passion just grew from there. I also run a business called Hini Tours, and that's providing a Waka Ama experience on the water. I think just knowing that our Indigenous people have stories to tell, and I think Hini Tours is a way of connecting to who we are as Māori and showing others how we use waka as a way of living, and we try and make it fun and safe, so safety is paramount. So my eldest mokopuna is like an open woman's, however the younger ones are 9 years old down to a baby age. So we're always looking out for our tamariki on the water. So for me, it's making sure that our whānau are watching them all the time. When it comes to looking after children around water, that's number one. And just making sure that our babies aren't near the water. So I think being present and not being on your phone. So it's all about eliminating the distractions that happen around water. And when you become part of the Waka Ama community, they also awhi, so we're always looking out for our tamariki on the water. I think what's critical is to wear life jackets and to know the area that you're paddling in. So for me, I've paddled on the awa for many years. You have to know what the water is about and be with local people who know the conditions, and because there could be undertows and everything. Definitely know where your tamariki are. They need to be at least enhanced, or especially our little babies. If not, you need to have them close to you, because anything can happen in a second. So just make sure they're an arm's length. And I've had experiences where friends have their children have drowned in just a minimal amount of water, and it causes trauma through the whānau. We're trying to keep our mokopuna alive and healthy, and any risk you want to prevent so that doesn't happen. If you love your children, you do everything to keep them safe and prevent them from any hazards that might cause drowning or any harm to your children. So as a grandmother or nan and mum, I'll do anything. Even if I had to dive into the water to save them, that's my ultimate, is to make sure our tamariki are safe.